ChatGPT, like other GPT, generative pre-trained transformer models, works by using a combination of deep learning and natural language processing techniques to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT is pre-trained on a massive dataset that contains parts of the Internet, including text from websites, books, articles, and more. During pre-training, the model learns to predict the next word in a sentence, which helps it understand grammar, context, and some level of common-sense reasoning. ChatGPT is built on the transformer architecture, which is highly effective for processing sequential data, such as text. Transformers use self-attention mechanisms to weigh the importance of different words in a sentence, allowing the model to capture long-range dependencies in the text. After pre-training, ChatGPT is fine-tuned on specific datasets to make it more suitable for various applications. Fine-tuning involves training the model on narrower, domain-specific data to improve its performance in specific tasks, such as text generation or question answering. When you interact with ChatGPT, you provide it with a prompt or a question. The input text is tokenized into smaller units, such as words or subwords, and then encoded into numerical representations that the model can understand. ChatGPT uses its pre-trained knowledge to understand the context of your input, taking into account the words that came before and after in the prompt. It uses this context to generate a response that is contextually relevant. ChatGPT generates text by predicting the most likely next word or token based on the input context. It continues to generate text one token at a time, gradually building up a coherent response. To make the text generation process more controllable, ChatGPT can use various sampling strategies, such as greedy decoding, choosing the most likely word at each step, or temperature-based sampling, adjusting the randomness of word selection. The generated text is then post-processed to remove any artifacts, correct grammar, and ensure the response is coherent and readable. ChatGPT returns the generated text as its response to your input. It's important to note that ChatGPT does not possess real-world understanding or consciousness. It generates text based on patterns it learned during training but doesn't have true comprehension or awareness. Its responses are based solely on the input it receives and the data it was trained on. ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of applications, including answering questions, providing recommendations, generating text, offering explanations, and more. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for various natural language processing tasks. However, it's essential to use it responsibly and be aware of its limitations, as it can sometimes generate incorrect or biased information.